guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ili. Today I'm going to share with you 10 tips and tricks on how I keep my hair healthy and smooth. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will link all the products that I use in the description box. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Use a hair mask. I use a hair mask once a week or two. It really helps keep your hair hydrated and it feeds your hair from the exterior, so you better get one. I use the Marilyn hair mask from LUSH Cosmetics and I just apply it to my roots, then leave it on for 20-25 minutes. Clean your brush. Your brush is filled with all the dust that's in the air and dirty hair that just fell, so you have to clean it in order to keep your hair clean. So in that way, your hair will get dirty slower than it usually gets. I use this little tool to clean up my brush. Then I just wash it with a little bit of conditioner. And pat it dry with a towel. Shampoo. Shampoo really matters. If you have a shampoo that just doesn't work with your hair, then change it. Try different shampoos until you find the one that is the best for your hair. I can recommend you one of my favorite shampoos from LUSH and also one of my favorite conditioner. But the best shampoo that I've ever tried on the market until now is the Function of Beauty one. The whole point with this shampoo is that you can personalize it perfectly. You'll take a mini quiz where it will ask you what is your hair type, hair structure, and what do you want the shampoo to do exactly, and you can choose up to 5 ingredients, write your name on it, and choose any color that you want. So I've been using this shampoo for 3 months. It really does show results, I believe, from the first weeks. So yeah, I really recommend it to you with my whole heart. So after I wash the mask, I use between 2 and 3 pumps of shampoo, and I first wash the top part of my scalp and then the bottom part. After my shampoo, I put on my conditioner, then I brush my hair with a special shower hair brush, and I just let the conditioner to absorb into my hair until I'm ready with my shower. After I washed my hair, I like to apply this R&B mask from LUSH Cosmetics to my roots and then just blow dry my hair. You also have to feed your hair from the inside. What does it mean? It means that in order to have a healthy, strong hair, you can take different type of hair pills, vitamins. For example, I take sugar bear hair, and when I run out of sugar bear hair, I also take these ones that you can purchase from Beauty Bay. But of course, before you take any pills, you should talk to your doctor first. So before I go to bed, I always use a loose scrunchie to tie my hair, and I will just go around my hair 2 times with it, in a low ponytail. Whenever I see that my hair gets a little bit oily, and that is after 2 days of it not being washed, I'll just take my dry shampoo and spray it all over my scalp. You can also use dry shampoo to give volume to your hair. So using dry shampoo, it really has a lot of benefits. My favorite dry shampoo is from Batiste, and I just spray it all over my scalp and then brush it out. If you don't want your hair to get frizzy, you know, when little hairs just stay above your head, no one likes that. You can take your hairbrush and spray it with a little bit of fixing spray and then wait a little bit and just brush your hair with it. And it will make the frizziness go away. And the last tip that I have for you guys for now, it is spraying your hairbrush, or you can buy special hair perfumes which it not damage your hair because it doesn't contain that much alcohol. So in order to have a pleasant hair smell, just take your brush and spray it with your perfume. Wait 5 minutes before you brush your hair so the alcohol won't absorb into your hair, and just enjoy your day. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you liked me, subscribe for more interesting videos and for more videos with me, of course. Again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it here. I'll see you next Thursday here on my channel with another interesting video. Bye guys!